Hey everyone, Alec here with Vid, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add any music or any audio to your Instagram Reels. So if I open up my Instagram Reels and I want to add audio, if I want to choose a song, I tap on this little song icon right here, and then I can either choose a song, browse, or just search for a song. For example, if I add this song All of Me by John Legend, I can then choose the selection of the song that I want. Once I've done it, I click done, and then I can start filming and the music will start playing. As an example, as you can hear the music right now. So that is how to choose a song for your Instagram Reels, but what do you do if the audio you want to add or the song you want to add isn't in Instagram Reels? If you're a new music artist, your music might not be on Instagram Reels just yet, so I'm going to show you right now how you can add audio to your Instagram Reel videos. So the tool we're going to be using to do this is called Vid, so you can either head over to Google and Google Vid, which is V-E-E-D, or you can click on the links in the description below. Okay, so once you're on Vid, if you don't already have an account, you'll be prompted to create a new one for free. And if you do already have an account, we're just going to go ahead and click on the new project button. Once I've clicked on the new project button, I'm now in Vid's project editor, and this is where I'm going to upload my Instagram Reel. So if I click on the upload video button, here I can browse through my documents, select the clip I want to upload and click on open, and now it's imported into Vid's timeline. So if I click play, hey Instagram Reels, Alec here, and I'm just making, as you can see, my video is here. Now to add audio, it's very simple. I hover over the left toolbar and click on the audio tab, and now I click on the upload audio button. Again, I'm going to go through my documents. Once I found it, I select it and again click on open. So now we can see that it's imported into Vid's timeline. So if I click play now, hey Instagram Reels, Alec here, and I'm just making this video to say thank you. As you can see, we can hear the audio in the background. We can hear the song I've just imported. The first thing you'll notice is that the song is too long for the Instagram Reel. You need to remember that an Instagram Reel is no longer than 15 seconds. So what you need to do is trim your audio. To do this, we click on the trim tab, and then we can just drag this dot here, the end dot, until it is the same length as your audio. There we go, that's perfect right here. And now what I can do is actually click on the fit to screen, so it stretches the audio out in my timeline. If I need to make it a little bit longer, I can. I can also input the values in right here, but there I've made it too long. So again, I'm just going to click and drag until it's the same length as my video. So now if I click and play from the beginning, hey Instagram Reels, Alec here, and I'm just making this video to say thank you. As you can see, my video plays the audio all the way through. Now, the next thing is that the volume might be too loud. If you want it as background music, you can select the volume button and then you can actually turn down the audio. So if I set it to 10%, I could have it as very light background music. So if I click play now, hey Instagram Reels, Alec here, and I'm just making this video to say thank you. So this is perfect because on Instagram Reels, you can't actually keep both audios. You either have the audio of your original video or the audio of the song you decide to add, and you can't adjust the volume levels. So once you're happy with your new Instagram Reel audio and you've adjusted the levels to your liking, you can go ahead and click on the download button in the top right, and then your video will start to render, and once it's finished rendering, you'll be able to download it and then ready to post to Instagram. If you have any questions about how to add any music or any audio to your Instagram Reel, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.